Guys, the day has finally come. This piece of bling. I don't know what's happening. Behind us, you guys see this giant box? The lift that we ordered like 3 months ago is finally in and... Our lift is finally in. It's the whole reason that it was taking us so long to work on the CBR 1000. It's finally here. In today's video, we replace this $300 Harbor Freight lift with a considerably more expensive professional air-powered lift. I am excited. I hope you guys are too. It should be a fun day around the garage, guys. We are all so tired of having to pump the freaking Harbor Freight lift up. I do want to give credit to this lift. We've had it since Wreck Bike Rebuild started. We've got our $300 worth of it. But it's time for us to get something serious. So I've never built a professional lift. I don't know what's happening in this garage today.
This is what happens when there's not a Wreck Bike Rebuild episode to do.
I know, it's like, okay, so we're just gonna make a kind of casual lift video. All right, cool. Goes to... Luke's got his McQueen shirt on. You guys hit a like on this video for Luke's Steve McQueen shirt. That's special use only. He wore this for you guys today. All right, so the cool thing about this one is it's got wheels, right? We can just like, yeah. All right, don't hit the new lift. Let's get this thing out here. Let's get this fancy one. I want to see what this looks like. It should be red. You're running out of space, Brian? Shit.
Some tools here. Aluminum snippers.
Aluminium. Oh, it's been too long. Oh, it's been too long. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Why are you hitting me not the tool?
Bo, why is your face so red? And why are you doing work on a video? Nobody ever gets to see you work. Do it, son. Get it.
Like, I don't have the correct tools. Do you have aluminum shears?
Bo, we've run this show for 5 years and we've never had the right tools for anything we do.
You got sheep shears.
Oh. You're shearing a sheep with that. That sheep's in trouble.
Oh my good God, so much. While the guys are trying to find the right tool. Oh, we found the right tool. Nice. Oh God, there we get back.
That's gonna go.
Okay. While the guys are trying to get the new lift out of the box, I can take this opportunity to let you guys know some great news for you guys here on YouTube. So, after much internal debate by me and the team, I've realized that Bo and Luke spend too much time editing 2 videos, because you guys know we do a Wreck Bike Rebuild garage video that goes only on Patreon, and then we do one, it's raining men, we do one that is only here on YouTube. But these guys do such good work, it's killing me that we're kind of wasting talents. From this episode on, everything you guys see here on YouTube is the exact same thing you guys see over on patreon.com/Chaseontwowheels. And that's a good red. So the only difference is Patreon is getting the videos a week ahead of time. So if you guys want episodes early or to support the show so we can get cool lifts and build cool bikes, go to the top link down below. It's gonna be patreon.com/ReckBikeRebuild, or is it Chaseontwowheels? I don't know. Click the top link. Let's check the lift out. It's here. Whoa, you guys are lifting stuff. Hold on, let me get over here and get some cinematic shots. Excuse me, Brian coming through. Dun da da da. Oh, bro, look how serious that is. Does everybody have their toes?
Yep, toes are alive.
Okay, everybody's got toes. All right, this is our air-powered HMC lift. Oh, it's got freaking, yes! And then is this textured? Oh, dude, it's the same texture as dude, that's like non-slip and shit. Watch as the magicians move this out of here. And gone! Bo, how did he do it? You'll never know. The beard never tells.
The sweat and the heavy breathing lets you know what happened.
Okay.
Oh, that thing's way heavier than the other one.
Really?
Oh, yeah. So what we need to do is we need to get the proper air fitting to put on the pedal.
Okay.
And then we need to bring the airline over and hook the airline onto it and raise it up.
Okay. Here's a box of fittings. And here's a box of fittings. What are you looking for, Brian?
This should be it.
Oh, well, that was fast. I'm so glad that this red is the right red. This like matches perfectly. Can I stand on this?
Yeah, this is designed to hold on.
You don't know how heavy I am. I gained a lot of weight after that.
Matter cows, dude.
So guys, if I understand this correctly, when we want this to lift up, all we have to do is go, and it'll go.
Can you check to see if this fitting fits on that threaded barb?
It does. Do you have Teflon tape?
Luke, we're gonna pretend you're looking up instructions on how to build this lift because you look real like you're doing some serious shit right now. And I'll keep going, keep going. Okay, well, we're just gonna pretend
again.
we're just gonna pretend that's
Do you know
something.
what Teflon tape is?
It's tape that goes around threads like sealant.
Do you know if we have it?
Dude, shit. I'm assuming no. Can we use anything else?
We could use a thread sealer.
They are threads. They are needing to be sealed. Oh, you're doing so much today. Are you excited? Okay, cool. Wow, that's underwhelming. If you guys are curious where our old lift is going to go, we're gonna donate it to Brian's garage because he has way lots of room and way more technology in his brain to do work on motorcycles than we have here. You're doing a great job, Bo. Look at Bo working. Everybody's always like, "Who's that homeless guy in the corner?" And I'm like, "It's Bo. He does things." I'm like, "What's he do?" Like,
Why'd
don't
you say
worry
that
about
like
it.
you're introducing me on a sitcom?
Who's that homeless guy in the corner? It's Bo.
Ooh, action shot. You tighten that thing, son. You tighten the hell out of that thing.
Good.
How fast do these things race? Can you control the amount of power that they come up with?
I don't know if it's like
Well, let's see.
lever
Have,
or if it's
have
a
you ever
on-off
used a
switch.
pedal for anything before?
Bruh.
Yes.
When you turn the pressure up.
Ceremonial. Oh!
Can I get some feathers?
Oh, scissor him.
Dude, what's wrong with you?
Luke gets it. Let us know in the comments if you get that, and if you do, I like you way more.
Go ahead and raise it all the way up. Alright, and you see that little black thing sticking out on your right to your right there, sticking out?
Dude,
Down.
can it hold a bike this high?
Now lower it until
What?
it fits into one of those grooves. And let it go until it goes totally out of air.
Dude, we could run a bike into the ceiling. This is such a serious lift. Let's have the glory.
This is just half juiced, by the way.
Would you ever want to go faster than that?
You're going to need more than half juice when it has 800 pounds of motorcycle.
Oh, right. Dude, that's so tall.
Yeah, that's the last. That's it. Right there. That's the last block.
So this is the highest lock this thing can go.
Yep. This is so when you're working on something at the bottom of the motorcycle, you do this.
Right. Because,
Instead of laying on the floor.
well, hold on, Luke. Roll up to it on a stool. Because at the max, like this is the max of this lift. Dude, look at that. You don't have to bend over at all. Can we just compare? This is as high as the $300 one. Like, that's the freaking difference, dude.
Isn't it on my gloves? Like that?
Oh, those are such nice gloves. Let me just see those. Wow, what a nice set of gloves. Just to let you guys know, we paid full price for this lift, but it looked absolutely legit, so I don't mind showing who it's from. What a good paint job. By the way, the cool thing about this company, we could have had this lift a week and a half, 2 weeks ahead of time, but they sent it back to the powder coat guys because they were like, not our quality. Good for them.
Nice.
Good customer service. Also a smart product, yeah.
And this is the, I'm pretty sure this is the model number if you guys want to buy one.
Oh, you mean like the CV2049 from Cycle Vice?
Alright, same deal.
Yeah, there's no flats though. It's just locks and nuts.
That's my nickname in high school.
Locks, lots of nuts.
It's just balls.
How's it feel to not be behind the camera?
It's amazing.
I feel like it's amazing too.
It's a little bit liberating, but I
It
don't
is.
think I'd like to exist outside of it for very long. I can do, look at this, I can do whatever I want.
Yeah, I can spin in circles with gloves on.
I can drink.
Oh, f you. I've seen you eat an entire meal while filming. I've seen you have like a half hibachi plate and you're over there just like going ham at it while like filming. That is so nice. Look how stupid that was for no reason. Can that just exist or does it have to will
No,
it fall
it needs to
off?
be on the ground. It's like the hibachi place.
How wide is this thing? So, where's the tape measure that we had?
Somebody was f***ing around with it earlier.
This lift is
30 inches.
30 inches.
26 and a half.
So we got like 3 inches total,
that's
side
all
to
you
side to
need.
side.
Someone say 3.5.
He said that's all we need, and it was like.
Okay, so that is a pro level lift, and all you have to do to install it.
Let's roll a bike onto it just to show it off.
That's not good.
You weren't wearing your officially licensed SBS mechanics gloves.
They don't belong to me.
You guys hear that? You guys hear that? Oh god. How satisfying is that? You're almost there, buddy. You are so close to using that correctly. Brian, can we continue this video at your house?
Sure.
YouTube crib.
Can't believe Brian doesn't want these awesome LEDs.
That you've used twice.
Shut up. Guys, do an RIP in the comments for the lift. It's been a good lift.
It's done its job for as long as it could.
For $300, totally a buy for the average guy.
It's like a tent.
That's all for you, buddy. You can have all of
Get out
it.
of the way 'cause I feel like he's gonna throw it.
I do as well. He's got that I'm gonna throw shit face.
There's a pile of trash you can throw. I bet you can't javelin it into that box.
No. We got. All right. We'll see you guys at Brian's garage.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin.
And now it's here, Brian's. All right, bye, Brian. You guys, look at Brian's garage. Isn't it effing giant? He's got one car, the size of my garage, 2 cars, a back area, a freaking other area.
And on the other side.
You got a lounge. Put the lounge, dude. It's time to lounge.
Oh, snap, the lounge. So this is Brian's garage, ladies and gentlemen. This is what a professional's garage looks
That's what a
like.
professional's garage at home when he's not doing any work looks like.
Right. And now you have a lift that looks, somehow it looks worse here.
I think I'm going to put it like right here.
I think you should. Here, I'll help you. Here, I'll help you. Perfect. All right, everybody, that's the home of the lift. And that's the end of the video. We're gonna call it closed. Oh my God, I'm stuck. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and yay for lift. Yay for lift. Yay for lift. Yay. Super excited. All right, guys, subscribe to the channel if you like motorcycle content. And we will see you guys on the next episode of Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage, where we're going to be tearing even more into a CBR 1000. Hey, support the show if you want to win the motorcycles, either the 1000, 600, or 300.
And what?
Oh, I meant the flat tracker, the race bike, and the street fighter. Outro crew, what type of Caterpillar do you think I'm about to show you? Bye.
I wanted it to be a snake. What a caterpillar is. It's a snake, like the obvious snake.
Does anybody know what type of dog this is?
Yeah, right.